convinced that the only thing I wanted to do ever was to write novels. However, my parents, both of whom came from impoverished backgrounds, and neither of whom had been to college, took the view that my overactive imagination was an amusing personal quirk. They condemn your parents for steering you in the wrong direction. The moment you are old enough to take the wheel, responsibility lies with you. Poverty entails fear and stress and sometimes depression. It means 1,000 petty humiliations and hardships. Climbing out of poverty by your own efforts. That is indeed something on which to pride yourself. What I feared most for myself was not poverty, but failure. Now, I am not going to stand here and tell you that failure is fun. I discovered that I have a strong will and more discipline than I had suspected. I also found out that I had friends whose values was truly above rubies. The knowledge that you've emerged wiser and stronger from setbacks means that you are ever after secure in your ability to survive. You will never truly know yourself or the strength of your relationship until both have been tested by adversity. I am nearly finished. I have one last hope for you. I wish you nothing better than friends. You can turn into troubled times. And tomorrow, I hope that you remember the words of Seneca. As the tale, so is life. But not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. I wish you all very good life. Thank you very much.